Want to revolutionize how your business communicates and interacts with customers using the power of artificial intelligence? Let's dive into Retell AI, your all-in-one solution for voice automation, lead generation, customer service, and so much more. First, head over to Retell AI and create your free account or sign into your existing login. Once inside, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly dashboard. From here, you can manage your entire voice automation ecosystem. The core of Retell AI lies in its intelligent agents. To create one, navigate to the Agents section, give your agent a name and select the desired voice from the provided library. You can customize the tone and personality of your agent. Now, let's build your agent's capabilities. Using the Workflow Builder, which visually allows to define the flow, is where you design the conversation. From greetings and information gathering to actions like scheduling or collecting data, the user-friendly interface lets you drag and drop components to build call flows for your agent. Retell AI offers a plethora of possibilities. Use it for automated customer service to answer common questions, or set up lead generation pipelines to engage potential clients. It's also perfect for scheduling appointments and gathering important information for additional information and advanced use cases. Explore the tutorials section on the platform. You can find it by clicking the Help button in the lower right corner. So, take control of your communication, amplify your efficiency, and experience the future of business interactions with Retell AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content.